Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So today we are going to make a video for practicing, for increasing our confidence. So what do you think, AB Prasad?
I think we are already increasing our confidence as well as the fluency in English language. You can see how we are making in roadside video everywhere.
Yes.
Many people are looking at us just because of our fluency in our in English communication. It is a very good thing in our life. Okay, and
Okay.
you can see right now we are making the roadside vlog video.
Oh yes. Why not? Because there are many people and still we are making video without hesitation. So if you are afraid and you are hesitate how to make video, so the solution is only one. You have to face the audience. First you have to make video alone, then you have to make video in front of 2 and 3 people, then you can make video or in front of everyone.
Okay, practice makes a good.
Yes.
If you practicing more and more, it means your fluency automatically increasing day by day. Otherwise, you cannot develop your communication skill, fluency skill. It not come in your mind. It is not come to your mind to word.
Of
If you,
course.
yes, of course. Why not?
And if you want to make video in front of public, so you have to pay attention only on your camera. Don't look here and there.
Oh,
You can see we are only looking at the camera,
okay.
and we are not paying attention here and there. So this is the way you can practice like this. So there is a lots of crowd, and right now we are near to Kapurthala Crossroad, and because it is October, and October is a festival month. There are many type of festival
Diwali is around the corner. That's why
like a
lots of
Diwali,
crowd. Diwali.
yeah, like a Diwali, Chhat Puja,
Yeah,
Bhaiya
Diwali.
Dooj, and
I am crazy about the yes, I am crazy about the celebrating of the Chhat Puja and Thekwa. What I don't know, this is one type of sacrament. In Bihari, people are like the Thekwa.
Thekwa.
Just yes, just because of Thekwa, many people are like the celebrating of the
Really?
Chhat Puja. Okay,
Okay.
and that's why in UP actually it has celebrated. Okay,
Thekwa, what is the Thekwa? I have no
I
idea.
think one type of
It is
sacrament.
a festival.
Yes, no Thekwa is one type of sacrament of any gods. I think. Okay.
Sacrament.
Sacrament, yes. You
Okay.
also don't know what is actually Thekwa?
No, I have no idea. So now guys, we have reached the park, and now we are practicing. And there are very less people, I think. What is the reason? I think because of Diwali.
Because of there is many people are left from here. Just Kuldeep. That is the reason behind the Deepavali say. Say something. You
You
are
already told, okay? So I think we should stop our video. It is getting dark.
getting that?
What do you think?
I think it is not getting dark. You can see
What?
it is not working condition properly. Okay. Video is quality or not, it is not matter.
Yes.
Understood? The
Yes.
content is matter.
Of course, why not?
Okay, thank you.